National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a tornado warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Evans County in southeastern Georgia, Liberty County in southeastern Georgia, Bullock County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Hatmel County in southeastern Georgia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hagen, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Reedsville, Glenville, Claxton, Pembroke, Lanier, Brooklet, Hagen, Daisy, Belleville, Manassas, Gordonia, Altamaha State Park, Groveland, Blykston, Nevels, and Denmark. This warning includes I-16 between mile markers 119 and 147. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Georgia: Liberty and Tatnall,